Luna and the Rainbow Seeds. Luna was a little witch with sparkling purple eyes and a pointy hat that always seemed a bit too big for her head. She lived in a cozy cottage at the edge of whispering woods where magical creatures played hide and seek among the ancient oak trees. One sunny morning, Luna discovered something extraordinary in her backyard. Where her vegetable garden used to be, there was now a patch of shimmering, rainbow-colored soil that seemed to glow with its own light. "Oh, my stars!" Luna gasped, adjusting her oversized hat. What could this be? As Luna knelt down to examine the magical soil more closely, she noticed 7 tiny, glowing seeds scattered across the rainbow earth. Each seed was a different color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, and they pulsed gently like tiny heartbeats. Luna's pet owl Hoot perched on her shoulder and ruffled his feathers with excitement. "Hoo-hoo, those look like rainbow seeds, Luna. I've heard stories about them from the elder owls." "Rainbow seeds?" Luna asked, her eyes growing wide with wonder. Hoot nodded wisely. "Legend says that rainbow seeds can grow the most beautiful flowers in all the magical realms, but only if they're planted with love and shared with friends." Luna carefully gathered all 7 seeds in her small hands. They felt warm and tingly, like holding tiny pieces of sunshine. She decided to plant them right away, digging 7 small holes in the rainbow soil. As soon as she placed each seed in the ground and covered them with the magical earth, something amazing happened. The seeds began to glow even brighter, and tiny green shoots started pushing through the soil. Luna was so excited about her magical garden that she wanted to keep it all to herself. She built a tall fence around the rainbow patch and put up a sign that read, "Luna's private garden, no visitors allowed." Days passed, and Luna tended to her garden alone. The plants grew taller, but something was wrong. Instead of blooming into beautiful rainbow flowers, the plants looked sad and droopy. Their leaves were turning gray, and they seemed to be wilting, despite Luna's careful care. "Why aren't my rainbow seeds growing properly?" Luna wondered aloud, feeling confused and disappointed. One afternoon, Luna heard soft crying coming from outside her fence. She peeked through a gap and saw Bella, a young bunny from the forest, sitting sadly by the garden gate. "What's wrong, Bella?" Luna asked, though she didn't open the gate. "My grandmother's very sick," Bella sniffled. "The forest healers say she needs the petals of a rainbow flower to get better, but I can't find any anywhere in the woods." Luna looked at her wilting plants and felt a tug in her heart. She had rainbow seeds, but they weren't blooming. Maybe there was a reason for that. That night, Luna couldn't sleep. She kept thinking about Bella's grandmother and her own sad gray plants. Suddenly she remembered Hoot's words. Rainbow seeds can grow the most beautiful flowers, but only if they're planted with love and shared with friends. The next morning, Luna made a big decision. She took down her fence and her "No Visitors" sign. Then she invited Bella, along with other forest friends, Squeaky the squirrel, Ribbit the frog, and Chirp the robin, to help her tend the garden together. As soon as Luna's friends joined her in the garden, something magical happened. The moment they all placed their hands on the wilting plants and shared their love and friendship, the rainbow seeds responded with incredible power. The plants straightened up, their leaves turned vibrant green, and suddenly the most beautiful rainbow flowers began to bloom. Each flower had petals of all 7 colors, shimmering and dancing in the sunlight like tiny rainbows. "It's working," Luna laughed with joy. The rainbow seeds needed friendship to bloom. Puna carefully picked the most beautiful rainbow flower and gave it to Bella for her grandmother. The magical petals worked their healing power, and Bella's grandmother recovered completely. But the magic didn't stop there. Luna and her friends decided to share the rainbow seeds with everyone in Whispering Woods. They planted gardens throughout the forest, and soon the entire woodland was filled with the most spectacular rainbow flowers anyone had ever seen. Luna learned that the most beautiful magic happens when we share it with others. Her heart felt as colorful and bright as her rainbow garden, and she knew she had discovered something more precious than any magical spell: the joy of friendship and sharing. From that day forward, Luna's cottage became a gathering place for all the forest creatures, and her rainbow garden grew more beautiful with each friend who helped tend it. And whenever Luna looked at her magical flowers, she remembered the most important lesson of all: magic is always more wonderful when shared with friends. Now, close your eyes and follow Sister Moonlight into a sweet dreamland. Good night, sweet dreams.